Alright, what's up guys? Good morning. Even if I have the gnarliest day in history with barrels and woke up at 5 and no sleep the night before, etc., I still somehow seem to wake up around 6 a.m. every day. So here we are. I can't sleep any longer. It is early and we are going to get some coffee, almond milk, a couple other food and supplies. There's actually waves again today, but we gotta see what happens with this rain. It was pouring when I woke up. Kind of slowed down already a little bit, but here we are. Wow. Yesterday, what a day. Woo. I woke up this morning and I wasn't really even realizing that I hurt my ankle yesterday, and I actually know which wave it was. I remember it distinctly, but it fully hurts to do that. So I was pulling into a barrel and I rode it out and it was so perfect and wide and just like squared out, and then there was one last section, like deep section. I got into it and then I literally thought the wave was going to take a breath, because you never know with waves like that, and then instead of taking a breath it just clamped and I was just in barrel riding position and the whole wave closed out. So all the pressure went down on my back ankle. I'm thinking thank God it didn't go down on my front knee, because my knee's weak. Yeah, so hurt ankle, but feeling all right. I think I'm gonna recover pretty easily. Let's go get a coffee. No way. No way. Get out of here. River wave? Alright, so we're on our way down to the bay to check it. Kind of saw that novelty going Richter. Pretty gnarly. Honestly might have to go out there. So this little bay area is super flat. I didn't really expect anything because the tide is on its way out, but whoa, how's that weird little novelty out front of El Slamo? Whoa, we might have to look at this thing. Anyway guys, so this is what I wanted to do. Yesterday Chank was filming, but Chank was also shooting drone, and as we know, drone is not the easiest thing to capture everything. But there was another guy filming. His name's Justin Rutherford, and he got a lot of really amazing shots. He was shooting on some super high quality 2K slow motion camera, and he was nuking it. So I tried to get his footage yesterday, and my computer, aka just iMovie, my computer can handle it, but iMovie can't. So yes, I edit on iMovie. So he is gonna transcode the footage for me, and he got a lot of stuff that Chank didn't get. So I'm excited to show you guys some more footage from yesterday. And I just want to give a shout out to this guy. His name's Justin Rutherford, and his Instagram is at @AFrameTrestles. So give this guy a follow, check out his deal. He's really good at shooting video. He's a cinematographer, and he fully nuked it yesterday. He hung out all day just to get some footage of the boys. So thank you, Justin. And yeah, check it out, another angle of yesterday's action.
Doctor says I got the symptoms, but who the fuck likes doing long division? And you can see a boob on television. They call it scumbag dereliction. Ooh, baby, I'm a dreamer. Misguided youth, I'm always staring out the window, eating Ritalin and playing my Nintendo. I
All right, Nub Nation, here we are out on the end of the jetty where we're hunting down even more novelty waves. It seems like my hometown just loves novelties. Maybe this is why I was born and bred to be a novelty surfer, because they just pop up everywhere. So check this thing out off the end of the jetty. Kind of nuclear. Would kind of need a full-blown sup to surf it, but it's doable, pretty doable. I think we need a bigger swell, but that was the dream. Yeah? I'm waiting for the tide. Yeah. See, these little waves that are breaking into the rocks, yeah. When the tide comes in, they'll break like that way. I know. It's pretty radical. Don't make me bust out my right hand. You son of a gun. Fully missed the clip, but I literally just pulled that off of here. It was on this, in this concrete here, and I ripped it out. I wish I got that. Oh, that one seems pretty prominent right there. We'll get you out of there, buddy. Oh yeah, there she goes. Woo! Score! These ones are so gnarly. I mean, this is just ridiculous. Oh, out there. All right, beach cleanup's over. I'm out there. All right, I just jumped into my wetsuit after seeing that little left. Oh, there's another one. Perfect reeling left. So, got some more metal off the beach and out of the lineup. And the tide's coming in, and there's a couple at Skeleton Bay. So, per usual, we're gonna get a couple. The fog rolled in heavy. Oh, yeah, guys, fun fact. First day in a 3-2 all season. I mean, 3-2, what am I saying? First day in a 4-3 all season. Phew. Woo! Secrets about Skeleton Bay. The wave breaks out there, but there's a reason I don't take off out there. This rock right here, this is the takeoff rock. This thing could be your best friend or your worst enemy. If you don't see that thing and you're riding away from out there and you hit that, fins have been taken. I'll just say that. Let alone a couple bruises for sure. But the wave hits this area and just jacks up off that rock and starts running left. Here's a good example of it, because this wave's not going to be rideable. So watch how much it sucks up right there. Oh, my board's going out to sea. Woo. But yeah, that's the takeoff rock. She's a good friend of mine because I respect her. That is why. Sketchy, for sure. Might be onto something here. Maybe. Yay or nay? There it is. Here we go. And the cool thing about here is the same place that you pick barbed wire out and metal is the same place that you surf. At least we know that one's there now. Come on, we're about to see a wide bow. Come on, let's see it. Oh yeah. Ooh, a little sketchy today. There it is. Hold on. Look at this guy uses the metal to hold his fishing pole.
Oh yeah.
That's professional.
That is nice.
I clean it up. You see my piles over there?
Yeah.
That's me. No way.